welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and this is my friend Tiara. Hello! And you probably remember her from like a year ago. We filmed our Halloween Pandora bracelet video. Remember that?
Yeah. It
was really fun. So we thought it'd be fun, and you guys also were like, yeah, we want to see Tiara again to film another video, another Halloween themed video featuring our Halloween inspired bracelets, as well as just chatting about like all the stuff we love about this time of the year.
So before we get started, I just wanted to talk about this delicious tea that we have. We love it, especially with almond milk. So it's from DAVIDsTEA. It's one of Emily's favorite teas. And it's called pumpkin chai.
Yeah, that's it.
And it is so good. It has a little bit of a sweetness to it, but a little bit of a spice as well. It's a nice darker tea, so it gives you that nice caffeine kick if you need that in the morning.
Yeah, I like really needed it today.
And it's really good for when you want to just stay cozy, especially as the weather gets a little bit cooler, especially here where we are. And yeah, it's a really good tea.
It's so yummy. And then and I added pumpkin syrup to it.
Oh yeah, that was a really good choice as well.
Yeah, I bought like, I was just telling Tiara when I was here in Canada, I bought like way too many like pumpkin syrups. So I actually thought, oh, you know what, I'm gonna try adding like this pumpkin spice syrup into this, and it actually tastes really good. I like it. I don't like really sweet things, but it's just enough like sweetness to bring out the flavor of the pumpkin even more. You agree?
Yeah, no, it's really good.
And now without further ado, we'll get started on showing you our Halloween bracelets. Now, quite a few of these charms and the meanings we actually talked about last year. So I'm gonna link on the screen right now our video we filmed last year if you wanna know the meanings about the different pieces we have on our Halloween bracelets. So Tiara, do you wanna tell us what you have on your bracelet?
Yeah, sure. First of all, this year I changed up my bracelet a little bit. I don't have my scarecrow charm on it.
Oh yeah, you don't.
No, but like he's still cute. He's super cute. But I wanted to feature the charm that you actually got me. So Emily was so sweet, and she got me the Hocus Pocus charm that we talked about in our last video that we both were really wanting to have. And it's one of our favorite charms because it's one of our favorite Halloween movies that we enjoy watching. We're actually gonna have a little movie marathon of Halloween movies.
Yeah,
on Halloween we're gonna do that. It's really special because it reminds me of Emily and our shared love for fall. This year last year I ordered a pre-loved, the original pumpkin that they had from Pandora, and he's just so cute. He's really tiny and I really love him. He didn't arrive in time for my Halloween bracelet last year, so this year he's on my Halloween bracelet. And then the rest of the charms, just going out. The next one is my little ghost charm from Pandora. And then I have on this side, I have my little owl. And then I have the pumpkin from last year, so the newer pumpkin. And then on either side, I have these clips that have almost like these little tendrils that look like they're vines from pumpkins, like being in a pumpkin patch. And then on either side, this one I have, it looks like candy corn to me, which is part of Halloween.
It totally does.
And then this one has some nice swirls of white and orange together. And that just kind of reminds me of like just pumpkins and pumpkin carving. And the little swirls remind me of like pumpkin spice lattes and orange chives.
Yeah.
Things like that, those really nice warm cozy drinks that you have. Yeah. So it's a smaller bracelet than last year, but it's just a little bit more refined, I guess, in terms of what I'm doing. So yeah.
I love it. And what bracelet do you have it on?
So it's on this snake chain, and it has the little Pandora heart clasp.
It's so cute. I love that. Okay, so tell me about yours.
My bracelet.
So
excited. Really
I actually, and I have two technically this year, which is cool. So I guess I'll just kind of go around. I have quite a few. So I have my little Chamilia ghost, which you guys probably have seen since like when I first started doing like my Halloween bracelet videos. He's holding the little jack-o'-lantern, little pumpkin, and it's like an orange enamel. He's super cute.
Oh my gosh, he's the cutest. Every time I see him, I'm like, oh, you are adorable.
I love him.
And the little pumpkin moves.
Yeah.
I love that. It's such a cute little feature.
And then the next charm on here is called Dark Enchantment. And you would have seen like a little sneak peek of this in my Halloween video last year, because Tiara actually on the day we filmed, she surprised me with this charm, and I have wanted this for forever. It is so gorgeous. It really does look like a dark enchantment. So, and oh, it's so cool. I think technically it's like called a pendant, but I wear it as a charm because it looks so cool, and I feel like it totally belongs on you. It's very spooky and it just has a cool feeling. Then I also have a little Pandora pumpkin, their tired pumpkin that Tiara has on her bracelet, so it's super cute with twinning.
Yeah.
Then another new charm that I have is called Wannabe Ghost. Oh my gosh, you guys, he makes me laugh because he's like, he's like, boo. Like when you pretend to be a ghost, and this totally makes me think of like when I scare my husband, so snowman. This sounds really mean, but I often will go like this and like creep up on him when he's working and go, and like I scare him so bad. I feel he's so mean, so it just makes me kind of think of when I do that in those memories. Once I scared him so, like he was playing Assassin's Creed, and he was like really into the game, like, you know, game mode, and you're like, ooh. And I like really snuck up on him, and he had this glass of wine, and I didn't think I was gonna scare him like that bad. So he was, I guess he was like a really like suspenseful moment in the game. So I just went like this to him, and he like jumped out, like he was terrified, and like his hand literally like hit the wine glass, like it sliced the wine glass off.
Oh my god.
I was so scared. He was so scared, so poor snowman. But anyway, Wannabe Ghost, it makes me think of that. He has like his little expressions, like, ooh, and then the cutest feature on this charm is little feet that are peeking out. And this was actually a gift from Wendy. She's the designer and owner of Corner 35 Beads, and she actually makes all these beads by herself, so each one is made by her, which I think is really, really special, and it's beautiful quality. Like, it's cute.
He's amazing. I didn't know that about Corner 35.
Yeah, no, she's wonderful. So I definitely recommend checking out the beads she does. They're all very unique too. Like she has one that's so cute that's like a garbage bag, but she styled it recently, like with like she has a little candy charm and the ghost for like Halloween, so like your bag of candy, and I'm like, it's such a cute idea. So if you're looking for very like unique charms, she has so many awesome ones. Okay, and then next I have two retired white and black Muranos, blinking on the name of these ones, but they're really cool. You guys would have seen these a lot in past videos. Another new addition I have, he's super cute, is the Treasure Cat. Nicole, my Pandora charm, like picked this up for me recently when she was in Disney Springs. The cutest details on the back, it says, "We're all mad here." Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
That reminds me of our the murder mystery party that you had last year. That was Alice in Wonderland themed.
Exactly.
So that's perfect.
Yes, that's exactly why I put it on here. Yeah, we had well, I guess you guys probably remember because I had the backdrop up, but I had an Alice in Wonderland murder mystery themed birthday party last year. That's exactly why I put it on, to kind of do that memory. And this girl, she helped me so much with decorating and everything last year. I really appreciate it. It makes me think of you. All right, and then moving along, I have two heart clips on either side. Again, like they match. I like to have a lot of like symmetry on bracelets, and some of the same charm repeated. Then I have Fairy Tale Bloom. I have two of these, and these I actually have them planned for a different bracelet theme, but I just thought they looked really cool on here. They kind of like this kind of gothic, dark kind of fairy tale vibe, and I just thought they looked really nice next to the clips. And then for the charm in the center, which is Jack and Sally, and I have talked about this meeting on, it was my Disneyland video, but I got to meet Jack and Sally at Disneyland, and Jack and Sally were hilarious. They're probably like one of the two favorite people I met at Disneyland that year. They were just made it really extra special for me, so that charm just represents that fun meetup, and it's beautiful too. It has them on the front, and has these cute little like hearts going around it, and then it says meant to be on the back.
So cute.
So super cute. Is home is where the haunt is. And then on the back it has Pandora. This is from Haunted Mansion, their anniversary charm. It's actually a set. It came out this year because they're having their anniversary, and it comes with Madame Leota. Do you know Madame Leota?
No.
So like for Haunted Mansion, they have different characters. So Madame Leota is like this like fortune teller and kind of thing. She's really cool, but it came as a set, and I didn't really need Madame Leota. She's so cool, but I just don't have a bracelet home for her.
Yeah.
But I really wanted the dangle because I just thought it was cool and it was like the tombstone. So my friend Rita, a turned dreamer, like she and I, we like basically split the set together, and then Nicole picked it up for us. So when I see this charm, it makes me think of her because she has like the other piece. It's almost like a friendship charm bracelet. And then moving along with Father Mariano, I have the retired Pandora ghost. And then this charm is really cute. This is called Bewitched.
Oh my gosh, I really want him.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get him next year for Halloween.
He is so cool. He's like one of those like Halloween charms that you don't see that often because he's actually scary looking. You know what I mean? And like, so
that hat, like the detail on that hat,
it has a little like
it's amazing.
spider.
Yeah, a spider with a spider web.
Yeah, and all the
Like,
little
it's so
etchings
perfect.
around.
I
His
love
little
it.
evil grin and the evil eyes.
Yeah.
So cute. So this is Bewitched, and this is by a brand called Ogerbeads. And Ogerbeads was so sweet because they sent me this. And I love him so much, you guys. Like, he's so cool, right? So I really love him. He totally makes me think of all like the spooky vibes of Halloween. And I just love that he's scary looking because I have a lot of cute Halloween charms and I love that. But it's nice to like have something that's like a little, that's spookiness that you want on a bracelet. So moving along, I have my, like it's kind of like our friendship charm.
It is.
I have my Hocus Pocus dangle, same as Tiara's, and it honestly just makes me think of Tiara. Like I love the movie Hocus Pocus. She loves the movie Hocus Pocus. Watch it every year. We're gonna watch it like she was saying on Halloween. So it just makes me think of you. So it's really special to me. And I have it next to my little Pandora witch that Fierce Sai got me last Christmas. So when I see this, it really makes me think of her. And it also makes me think of Hocus Pocus and like the little broom details.
Yeah.
And her adorable feet and the hat and the hair and like her nose.
Her nose is very iconic.
It's like, yeah.
Classic.
So cute. And then that's everything I have on this bracelet. I have this on an 18 centimeter oxidized Pandora bracelet. Originally, I did have this on a 17 centimeter oxidized, but I decided to go up a size just so you could see more of the oxidized detail of the bracelet. It's just
really
you couldn't
idea.
Yeah, you couldn't see it before, and I'm just like, well, why have it on an oxidized bracelet if you can't see little peaks of it? And then the other bracelet I'm wearing is like, oh, I love it. So this is all ogre beads. So the bracelet is ogre beads, and look, it's so cute because it has like the little ears like of an ogre on the logo.
Oh,
yes. It's super cute. Then I have these, they're basically called spacers. They're kind of like clips. And they have like these little spiders and cobwebs.
Yes.
And then they're like Pandora where they have the little rubber silicone grips. So it keeps the charms in place.
Oh, that's really great.
And then I have these very spooky looking Halloween glass Muranos. So these are super cool because the red and the black, they glow in the dark. So they have that little, like when you're trick-or-treating or you're going out at night, like they glow and it's beautiful looking. And then in the middle, I have fire fragrance. And I love this. I don't know if it is technically a Halloween charm, but to me it looks so Halloween-y. So that's it for my bracelets and kind of what I have on them.
Yeah. What's one of your favorite fall activities?
What is one of my, I love going on autumn walks. I know that sounds like really simple, but I love swishing through the leaves. I love having a cup of tea. And lately, since with Ella, I've been extra loving going on fall walks because it's just like I'm going way more than I normally would, and it's so much fun. And I just like breathing in that like fresh, crisp autumn air and just seeing all the leaves changing colors, and it just feels really relaxing and peaceful, and it's just like my me time. So I'm really enjoying that as one activity. What about you?
Honestly, one of my favorite things about this time of year is I can decorate my house.
That's so true.
So I love
decorating.
going to my storage and pulling out my big storage box full of decorations for fall. And then I decorate my house and I just love it. I think it's so much fun.
No, I completely agree.
But fall doesn't last very long.
No, it's over pretty fast.
But
But
it's our favorite season.
favorite season, it's so magical.
You know what else is really good about fall is your birthday.
Yeah, my birthday is coming up. I'm excited. And then I guess another fall activity, I mean, I love going to pumpkin patches. I know you do too.
Yeah.
I love going to like corn mazes. I love watching Hocus Pocus and oh my gosh, turning on the TV fireplace because we don't have a fireplace.
Doesn't it make you kind of feel like you're warmer?
Yes.
Looking at it?
Yes. And like I have like a blanket and obviously tea. Like tea's always around. And like it's just so cozy and just hearing the sound, like the crackling, and I love that.
I also really like going on this little train ride that we have in our city. And they have it themed differently every year. This year it was themed Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah, or Nightmare Land.
Nightmare Land.
Yeah.
They have different actors and actresses acting out these scenes as you go by on the train. And there's like kind of spooky music. And it's not too scary, so it's safe to take your kids. But even adults really enjoy it. And it was really well done this year.
Oh, it was. It
Well
was
done.
spectacular and
Really great.
they did an amazing job.
It's a tradition that my husband and I have. We always go to this train every Halloween, like right before Halloween, we go together and we get popcorn and hot chocolates.
Hot chocolate.
Yes. So I had a dairy-free hot chocolate.
Oh, from like that little, like the vendor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget the name of that place, but did you meet the owner?
No.
He's so sweet. He was there when my husband and I went, and he was just, like we knew he was the owner because we overheard him mention it to another couple ahead of us.
Oh yeah.
And he was so sweet because he like made drinks for like the other vendors just because. Like didn't charge them, like just would bring them over. Like I just like, oh, what a nice guy. Like I love that.
So sweet. Yeah. No, it's something that's so fun and I really enjoy it. Like I think we need to make a video on our favorite Christmas tradition.
Yes, and Christmas bracelets.
Yeah.
We have a couple Christmas
I have
bracelets,
a few
right?
Christmas charms I can,
We can do
but
it.
they're mostly, I think they're all pre-loved. So that's kind of my theme.
Yeah, and we need
Pre-loved.
to do like a video because I know last year a lot of people wanted to know your tips and tricks on like how to buy pre-loved and like where you find, because like she found Dark Enchantment for me, like, and this is pre-loved, like, so if you want to see that video, comment down below. And I've been trying to talk this girl into doing her own YouTube channel, so we'll see.
Well, I'm trying. I'm working on it.
We'll see. Anyway, I think that's it for this video. Cheers. Thank you for filming with me. I'm so happy to have you back on here. Like, it's so much fun filming with you because I mean, like, she's one of my best friends ever. So it's like really cool to actually have someone like to hang out with when I'm filming. Like, it's really nice.
No, I think it's really great. I love being with Emily. She's so much fun to hang out with. And she's just as beautiful and kind, you know, in real life as she is, as you see on her Instagram and her YouTube. She's very genuine and wonderful.
Aw, so are you. You're so sweet. Now I'm like, oh, a little awkward.
Sure, she's super cool.
Okay. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you, Tiara, for coming on here and sharing your bracelet with us. And yeah, happy Halloween, you guys. Take care.
Have a safe Halloween.
Yeah, bye for now.
Cheers.
Yay, we did it. Bye. I maybe have some tea.
Yeah, have some tea.
Oh, what is it?
Sorry.
Okay.
We'll have to edit that out.
Might be a blooper.
Okay.